Criteria query encapsulates the clauses of a traditional query in Jakarta persistence. Here you can see the criteria query encapsulate the clauses of traditional query. Criteria query is a tree of query expression nodes that are used to specify query clauses from where order by in a traditional string-based query language. This figure shows the clauses related to a query. The core expressions are generically type. A few typical expressions are root t, which are equivalent to from clause, predicate, which equivalents to a Boolean value of true or false in fact it is declared as the interface predicate extend expression Boolean. Path, which denotes the persistent attribute navigated from root question mark root question expression. Root t is a special path t with no parent. Criteria criteria builder is factory for criteria query and query expressions of all sorts. Criteria query is transferred to an executable query which its type information preserved so that the element of selected list can be accessed without any runtime casting. Here the interface abstract query type parameter t in package jakarta.persistent.criteria in module jakarta.persistence. The t is the type of the result, and the abstract query interface defines functionality that is common to both top level queries and subqueries. It is not intended to be used directly in query construction. The interface criteria query the criteria query interface defines functionality that is specific to top level queries. Interface subquery t, the subquery interface defines the functionality that is specific to subqueries. A subquery is an expression as its selection item. Interface selection x is the type parameter. X is the here the t the type of the selection item. The selection interface selection. The selection interface defines an item that is to be returned in a query result. Interface predicate. The type of a simple or compound predicate, a conjunction of disjunctions of restrictions. A simple predicate is considered to be a conjunction with a single conjunct. Interface root. Here the type parameter. Here we put x, the entity type referenced by the root. The interface root. The root type in the from the root type in the from clause. Query roots always reference entities. Interface join. Here the type x, the source type of the join, and here the target type of the join. A join to an entity embeddable or basic type. Interface interface expression. T the type of the expression. Type for query expressions. Interface order, an object that defines an ordering of a query results. Here the you can see the abstract query. Here the join is connected to root, and selection, predicate, root, expression, predicate, and predicate are connected to abstract query, and criteria query and subquery are connected to abstract query here, and the order is connected to criteria query, and query build interacts with criteria query. Here the here 0 or 0 to or 1 selection is connected to abstract query via select, and here predicate 0 to 1 predicates is connected to abstract query via where, and 0 to many root roots are connected to abstract query via from, and 0 to many expression is connected to abstract query via group by, and 0 to 1 predicate is connected to having abstract query via having, and 0 to many order are connected to orders is connected to abstract criteria query via order by. Here 0 to many join is connected to from. Here you can see generic type arguments T criteria query T select the instance of type X in this graph here. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.